Let's talk about something most people avoid at all costs: cold showers. Yeah, I know. The second you hear cold shower, you're probably thinking absolutely not. Hard pass. But stay with me for a minute because the science behind this is actually fascinating. What would happen if you took a cold shower every single day for 2 weeks? Not ice climbing in Alaska, not jumping into a frozen lake, just a controlled, short, cold shower. Today, we're diving into the real physical and mental benefits of cold exposure. From metabolism and fat burning to mood, inflammation, stress, recovery, and even better sleep. And honestly, once you understand what's happening inside the body, cold therapy starts making a lot more sense. You've probably heard of the Iceman, Wim Hof, the guy known for ice baths, mountain climbs in freezing temperatures, and breathing techniques that push the body to extremes. What's interesting is that a lot of modern research is now backing up some of these ideas around cryotherapy and controlled cold exposure. And no, you do not have to torture yourself. You can ease into it gradually. That's the key. Your immune system gets stronger. Let's start with something that surprises most people. We've all been told growing up, don't go outside in the cold. You'll catch a cold. Stay warm. But short-term exposure to cold actually appears to strengthen the immune system. Research shows that cold exposure can increase certain white blood cells involved in immune defense, things like lymphocytes and monocytes. It also stimulates something called T helper cells, basically the coordinators of your immune response. And at the same time, it may increase regulatory immune cells that help prevent the immune system from overreacting. In other words, your body becomes more resilient. That's pretty wild when you think about it. Cold showers can boost mood and mental clarity. One of the biggest immediate effects people notice is mental sharpness. Why? Because cold exposure spikes norepinephrine, sometimes called noradrenaline. This is a neurotransmitter tied to focus, alertness, attention, motivation, and mood. People struggling with low energy, brain fog, anxiety, or even mild depression often report feeling dramatically more awake and mentally clear after cold exposure. And there's a reason for that. Your body interprets cold as a challenge, so it responds by activating survival mechanisms designed to make you more alert and capable. This is part of something called the hormetic effect. Basically, a controlled amount of stress can make the body stronger. Exercise works this way. Fasting works this way. Cold exposure works this way too. A little stress, in the right dose, creates adaptation. Cold exposure and belly fat. Now let's talk about something everybody wants to know. Can cold showers help with fat loss? Actually, yes. Here's why. Your body contains two different kinds of fat. White fat, the storage fat most people are trying to lose, and brown fat, a metabolically active fat that actually burns calories to produce heat. Cold exposure activates brown fat, and when brown fat becomes more active, your metabolism increases. Your body literally burns more energy just trying to stay warm. Some studies suggest activated brown fat can significantly increase calorie expenditure. And there's another benefit. Cold exposure may improve insulin sensitivity. That means your body handles blood sugar more efficiently, which can help reduce fat storage over time, especially around the midsection. Better insulin sensitivity usually means better energy, fewer cravings, improved metabolic health, and easier fat loss. Cold showers reduce inflammation. This is one of the biggest reasons athletes use cold therapy. Cold exposure helps calm inflammation. So if you deal with sore joints, chronic pain, tendon issues, arthritis, muscle soreness, or general inflammation, cold showers may actually help reduce symptoms and speed up recovery. That's why ice baths are so common in professional sports. The body recovers faster when inflammation is controlled. Better recovery and better sleep. Another huge benefit, recovery. After intense exercise, cold exposure may help reduce soreness and improve recovery time. But even if you're not an athlete, there's something else people notice pretty quickly. They sleep better. Your body naturally sleeps better when core temperature drops slightly. That's one reason a cool bedroom helps with sleep quality. Cold exposure can support that same effect. And interestingly, many people report feeling calmer after cold therapy. Part of that may be related to lower cortisol, your primary stress hormone. So while the experience itself feels intense in the moment, the after effect is often a deep sense of calm and relaxation. Cold exposure and longevity. Here's where things get really interesting. Cold exposure may also stimulate a process called autophagy. Autophagy is basically your body's internal cleanup system. It helps recycle damaged proteins and worn-out cellular components. Think of it like maintenance mode for your cells. Fasting activates autophagy, exercise activates it, and cold exposure may help activate it too. That's one reason researchers are interested in its connection to healthy aging and longevity. So, how do you actually start? Here's the easiest way to do this without hating your life. Start with your normal hot shower. Get comfortable. Then, at the end, switch the water to cold for just 30 seconds. That's it. Anyone can survive 30 seconds. The next day, go for 40 seconds, then 50, then a minute. Gradually build up over time. Eventually, you may be able to stay in cold water for 5 to 10 minutes comfortably. And honestly, the adaptation happens faster than you think. Your body learns. That's the amazing part. At first, cold feels shocking, but eventually your body becomes incredibly efficient at handling it. Final thoughts. What's fascinating is that modern life has made us almost too comfortable. We're always warm, always fed, always comfortable. But the human body evolved through challenge, cold, hunger, movement, adaptation. And when you strategically reintroduce small amounts of stress in a controlled way, the body often responds by becoming stronger, sharper, and more resilient. So if you're looking for more energy, better mood, improved focus, better recovery, reduced inflammation, improved metabolism, or better sleep, a simple cold shower might be one of the easiest habits you can start. And after 14 days, you may be surprised how different you feel. Subscribe to the channel and stay healthy.